Hi everyone, welcome to this full 2025 guide on how to pay QuickBooks invoices with a credit card. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can manage your payments accurately and keep your financial records organized. Let's get started. First, sign in to your QuickBooks online account. Open your browser, go to quickbooks.intuit.com and enter your login credentials. Make sure your information is correct so you can access your account securely. Once you're logged in, head to the left-hand menu and click on the Expenses tab. This is where QuickBooks centralizes all your expense-related tasks, including managing and paying invoices. Now, locate the Bills or Invoices section. Find the invoice you want to pay, and from the drop-down menu, select Mark as Paid. This tells QuickBooks you're registering a payment against that invoice. Next, under the Bank or Credit Account section, choose your payment method. In this case, select credit card. It's important to pick the right payment option to ensure your records remain accurate. After that, click Save to confirm and secure the transaction. Saving makes sure the payment is recorded properly and can be reviewed later whenever needed. And that's it. Your invoice has now been paid with a credit card inside QuickBooks. To wrap up, by following these steps, you'll streamline your payment process, maintain precise financial data, and improve relationships with your vendors through timely payments. Remember, efficient financial management isn't just about paying invoices. It's about building reliable records that strengthen your business. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more of our QuickBooks tutorials to keep enhancing your financial management skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.